Question 5 is a select all. You're going to see what statement is true about this line segment AC. So first of all, let's take a look, which says line segment AC, CB equals to 62. Well, AC is this part, and we add it to this part. Does that get us our total of 62? Yep, that is true. So we can mark this as be true. That's the segment addition postulate, right? So let's take a look at the next one. Well, if we know AC plus CB is equal to AB, if we do the solving where we get AC alone, notice that I'm going to subtract CB to both sides. This cancels. AC is equal to AB minus CB. That is also going to be correct. Notice that is going to be true. So visually you can see it. If you get this whole piece of AC, which is this piece, that comes from this big piece of C of AC, is right here. Okay, that is going to come from AB minusing the CB. So you're removing this blue part right here. Okay, so that makes sense. All right, then next we have CB equals to AC. That means this part is equal to this blue part. Well, that's not true. C is not the mid segment. Okay, this is not midpoint. Midpoint, not. So this is not correct. Okay, not correct. Then next we wrote AC is equals to 62 plus CB. Well, AC is this chunk. If we add this, 62 is the entire thing. This is the entire thing. This makes no sense. So the entire line plus an extra piece cannot be equal to a smaller piece. That's impossible. So that is not correct.